I'll be there.
It's gonna be okay. Really, it's all right.
That was a scene from the book I'll Be There.
The audience we would recommend for this movie would be young adults. We would recommend this to young adults because there are a ton of action-packed scenes, romance, and swears that will not appeal to little children under the age of 12.
Young adult novel is about a girl named Emily who has to one day sing in front of her church. And that's where the love story all begins with a boy named Sam. Sam is not like an average teenager. His life story is much more deeper and dangerous than most teenage children. Every day of his life, since he was a little boy, him and his brother Riddle been trying to hide a deep, dark secret from their home life that they have to deal with every day. But then their on-the-run dad finds out that people are starting to catch on to them. He decides to capture the boys and put them both in danger. This emotional yet thrill-packed story will have you on the edge of your seats craving for the movie.
Why this book would make an excellent movie is because it teaches young adult viewers and readers life lessons and how to guide them through life. For example, everyone is equal and that you shouldn't judge a book by its cover because there is much more to them than how you think they look. Also, why this book should be made into a movie is because it tells an emotional story about two young boys that everyone should learn and care about because it happens to people in their everyday life, and you might not even know that it's happening to them.
The cast we would recommend for this movie is Nina Brave as Emily, Charlie Rao as Sam, MJ Anthony as Riddle, Jai Courtney as Clarence, Bradley Cooper as Tim Bell, Lana Priya as Debbie Bell, and Ansel Elgort as Bobby Elias. We would recommend these actors and actresses to play these characters because they fit the role of the character perfectly, and they are all well known. They all have won Academy Awards and also played in hit TV shows and movies.
I played Sam.
I played
She played Emily, and I'm the director. Bye!
It's okay. Really, everything will be
Who we
alright.
suggest for this movie is Nina Dobrev, who plays Emily. Charlie.
Wait.
You forgot your hat! Ow!
I snorted.
I know.
No.
Smell it. Hey guys, say hi.
What?
Say hi. You're filming?
I'm like,
Smell it. Do you smell it?
No.
Sun in my eyes.
I'm good at this.
What?
Yeah.
Good at what?
Acting.
I'll be there.
Oh, hey, Haley. By the way, did you get the storage ready yet?
Yeah. Did you delete the stuff?
Yeah.
Dude, guys, look over here.
You're
Stupid idiot!
Hey.
Whoa!
Bye, peeps.
Bye!
I'm Sam.
We're out.
Call